You start out with 3 animals. At the end of the month, it doubles, so you multiply that by 2. So we're in the end of the first month. And then if you take this and multiply that by 2, we're at the end of the second. And then multiply that by the end of the third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 3 times 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 times, that's answer's D. Because what you're doing every time, see, we're here, start out with 3, and then you double it. So we're end of the first month. And then take this and multiply it by 2. And then that product times 2, 2, 2. So 3 times 2 is 10th.